In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use and apply wild growth hair oil for healthier and enriched hair. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get more updates and reviews. I have been using this for over a month now, and I am seeing results like never before. It works very well on my natural hair. I have noticed how thick and dull my hair has gotten, and how much my hair has grown, since I started using the wild hair growth oil. It keeps my scalp moistured, and my hair feeling great. I love putting this oil on, right after I wash my hair. It makes my hair really soft. It does, however, has a little strong scent, but after a while it wears out. This product is thick, and it really doesn't take a lot for it to be effective. Only a few drops are needed for 1 to 3 times per week for a longer, softer, enriched, and controlled hair. Shake well before using. Apply only 5 to 15 drops with fingertips to entire hair and scalp. Then comb or brush. Do these for 1 to 3 times a week, and you will see a good result. If you would like to know more about this product, you may follow the link in the description below.